Hello guys, welcome to Black Chefs. Today there is an announcement. We have visited Sukangsha Charitable Trust today in Bangalore, where they take care of the small kids. Actually, we wanted to share happiness with those all people. So if you want to join hands together with us, so please subscribe to our channel. And if you want to contribute something towards the trust, please go through the QR code which is given on the screen, and please do help them. And please don't forget to subscribe the channel and support us in the future. Thank you.